Hi everybody, my name is Stephen Conlon and I am a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team here at Pentagon Solutions. Last week, I published a video on Civil 3D and cloud collaboration, showing how Civil 3D and cloud collaboration, or ACC, works, its purpose for a civil engineer, and the services Pentagon offer for this. This week's video is on Dynamo and Civil 3D, what this means and what services Pentagon offer in regard to this. As I'm going through this video, I will be linking it back to Civil 3D as Dynamo is an extension of Civil 3D. Dynamo is an open source visual programming platform primarily used for creating parametric designs and automating tasks in various industries such as architecture, engineering, and construction, as well as computational design. It allows users to create complex algorithms and workflows by visually connecting nodes in a graphical interface without requiring traditional coding knowledge. This is available for both Revit and Civil 3D. Each is tailored towards specific disciplines. Here at Pentagon, we have professionals in all fields that have written scripts for our customers on both ends to allow repetitive work to be automated. As mentioned in my previous video, Civil 3D is a software application that combines CAD functionality with specialized tools for civil engineering, enabling professionals to design, analyze, and document infrastructure projects with efficiency and precision. Now, Civil 3D can do a lot, but Dynamo can provide a plethora of more options to incorporate into your Civil 3D design and documentation. Pentagon can provide services in this front to help our customers get the most from their Civil 3D design. By incorporating Dynamo and Civil 3D, users gain the ability to extend the capabilities of the software and enhance their workflows. They can create custom tools, automate repetitive tasks, and manipulate data within the Civil 3D environment. Dynamo provides a visual programming interface that simplifies the process of creating complex scripts by allowing users to visually connect nodes representing various operations and functions. With Dynamo and Civil 3D, users can accomplish a variety of tasks, such as custom design automation. Users can create custom scripts to automate design processes and generate complex geometry, such as road alignments, profiles, and corridor models. This allows for more efficient and standardized design workflows. Data manipulation and analysis. Dynamo enables users to manipulate and analyze data within Civil 3D. They can extract data from objects, perform calculations, filter and sort data, and generate reports. This flexibility enhances data management and analysis capabilities. Task automation. Repetitive tasks such as applying styles to objects, generating labels, or modifying design parameters can be automated using Dynamo. Users can create scripts that execute these tasks automatically, saving time and reducing errors. Integration with external software and data sources. Dynamo provides the ability to connect with external software applications, databases, and web services. This allows for the exchange of data and information between Civil 3D and other systems, facilitating interoperability and data integration. Custom user interfaces. Dynamo in Civil 3D enables users to create custom user interfaces for their scripts. They can design user interface elements such as buttons, sliders, and input fields to make the scripts more user-friendly and accessible. The integration of Dynamo with Civil 3D provides civil engineers and designers with a powerful tool to enhance productivity, automate repetitive tasks, and customize workflows according to their specific needs. It extends the functionality of Civil 3D and provides greater efficiency and flexibility in the design and analysis processes. Here at Pentagon, we offer bespoke training in Dynamo and Civil 3D so that you as a customer gets the most out of this program. There are many different scripts that can be made. Thinking of a certain task you want the program to do, it more than likely can be programmed into Civil 3D. Here are a few examples of different scripts that have been created before. Automatic alignment generation. You can create a script that generates road alignments based on input parameters such as road type, start and end points, curve properties, and alignment offsets. This can automate the process of creating alignments for roads, highways, or other linear infrastructure elements. Batch updating styles. If you have a large Civil 3D drawing with numerous objects that need style updates, you can write a script to automate the process. The script can search for specific objects based on criteria like object type or data properties and update their styles accordingly, saving time and ensuring consistency. Corridor model manipulation. Dynamo can be used to manipulate corridor models in Civil 3D. For example, you can create a script that adjusts the vertical alignment of a corridor to achieve a desired road slope or automatically adjusts the frequency of cross-section sampling along the corridor. Data extraction and reporting. Dynamo can extract data from Civil 3D objects and generate reports or perform calculations. For instance, you can create a script that extracts the volume of earthwork cut and fill for a specific area, or generate a report of all pipes in a pipe network, along with their properties. Custom labeling and annotation. Dynamo can automate the process of labeling and annotating objects in Civil 3D. You can create a script that generates labels for specific objects based on predefined rules or input parameters. This can be useful for labeling stations, elevations, or other design properties. Data import and export. Dynamo can facilitate data exchange between Civil 3D and external sources. You can create a script that imports data from a spreadsheet or a database into Civil 3D, allowing for efficient data integration. Similarly, you can export from Civil 3D to external formats for analysis or further processing. These are just a few examples of the scripts that can be written using Dynamo for Civil 3D. The possibilities are vast, and the scripts can be customized to meet specific project requirements or automate repetitive tasks in your civil engineering workflows. Here at Pentagon Solutions, we have been hired to incorporate workflows on how to use Dynamo efficiently and effectively, so please give us a call or email to find out more if you want this for your company. To conclude this video, we here at Pentagon Solutions offer a lot of services in Dynamo for Civil 3D. As mentioned before, we are a solutions-based company, so if there's a problem, we will be able to find the solution for it. Dynamo in Civil 3D is fairly new, so there are companies that probably don't even know it exists within their Civil 3D, but if you want to know the full capabilities of Dynamo in Civil 3D, or would like us to help your company with workflows to efficiently use Dynamo in Civil 3D in your company, please give us a call or email to find out more about what we offer here at Pentagon. Next week's video will be on info drainage, which is a drainage analysis program which was formerly known as micro drainage that civil engineers would use to analyze different drainage scenarios. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep up to date with any of our new videos. Please also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter.